This is one of my favorite adjustments for migraines. What we do is we cock the table up and we apply pressure right here at the base of the occiput. Looks like it hurts. Did that hurt?
No.
No, it just looks really dramatic. And so it's a knife edge contact here at the occiput, firm pressure, and a drop. Okay, another contact point that I love to use for migraines is I like to use the pads of my wrists, contact the occiput, and scoop up. Scoop up. Okay, God bless you.